On this page, you'll create and manage categories for organizing videos and using the next video and channel features. The next video feature allows when a video ends, the next video in the same category to automatically play. Just like that. The channel feature lets you create a page with a video gallery that you can embed on your website with an iframe code or share the link. To create a category, enter the slug and the name. If you wish for the next video and channel features to be enabled for this category, activate the switches. Click Create New. The created categories will be displayed on the right side and they can be edited or deleted. To add videos to the category, search for the video by name or hash and select it. Here you can preview the video and unlink it from the category. Once the videos have been added, click Save. To configure channels, click this button.